Okay, so this is just going to be a small update where I'm at with the Phantom. I only had 2 days to do some modelling, and then I'm back to work for the next few days. So I finished off my ship build, which is why I didn't get as much time on the Phantom. So I finished the scheme off. For the black on the spine, I used Tamiya's Nail Black, and then when I sprayed the base colour down, I mixed a bit of white in it and just randomly sprayed over the black, and then I used XF1 flat black and post shaded panel lines just to break it up and to give it to match the paint work of the rest of the aircraft. You can't have a dirty looking aircraft and a nice black spine with no wear. So now, or next, when I get my next break, I'll be doing the walkways. I'm going to mask them off and paint them. It'll look better than decals for the same reason. I'm breaking it up, the effect of the paintwork. I've started painting up the weapons, so I just need to paint in the metal bits on the back of the side winders. These are done. I just need to put the decals on, and I've painted the base colour up. I've got to paint in the cushions, the harnesses, and any other bits that need different colours. I've started painting up. It's one of the rear and the front wheels. So I use I've got to paint the white hubs in, and I use, you will see, I've been using it for years, this cheap stencil, and you just match it to the size of the wheel you want. More. That one. And you just hold it and give it a blast with the airbrush. But when you use that and you're painting hubs, don't thin your paint. Well, if you do, don't thin it heaps, otherwise it'll bleed into the black. I've started, that's the center piece of the canopy system. I've painted the interior of it and glossed it. Now I've got to paint the exterior, and I've still got to paint up the other canopy sections. I've dipped them after I got out that center seam. I showed you I got that out and polished them up and dipped them in clear. This one I had to dip twice. When I was putting in the grey styrene parts, I noticed there was still a smudge on the back, so I put the parts in and dipped it again. It won't hurt them. Now I have to mask inside and outside to spray the black, because the canopy's open. You need, well, you don't have to, but you need to anyway, because there's parts in there that need to be black. Yeah, everything else is painted up. Painted up the inside of the speed brakes red. So now I just have to, the next big job, like I said, will be the walkways. That's going to be a heap of masking, finish painting all that, and then I'll be starting to get into the decaling stage.